Venice wakes to water at its feet again, stone streets glistening, bells echoing softly as if the city itself is holding its breath. Something ancient is slipping, slowly, silently, beneath the sea. For centuries, Venice floated between myth and miracle, a city built on wood, stone, and stubborn human will. But the water has been rising, and the ground has been sinking. Since the 20th century, Venice has been slowly descending, centimeter by centimeter, year after year. The cause is not a single disaster, but many quiet forces. The land beneath Venice compresses under its own weight, while the sea climbs higher with warming skies. Together, they squeeze the city from both directions.
I remember dry winters, solid floors, children running without boots inside our home. Now the water comes like an uninvited guest again and again. Each flood feels higher than the last, as if the city is slowly forgetting where land once ended. We adapt, but adaptation feels like surrender.
Humanity fought back with steel and science, building colossal barriers to hold the tides at bay. The Moe's gates promised protection, but not permanence. They rise during extreme tides, holding back the sea like a temporary shield. But the land beneath Venice continues to sink, unnoticed and unstoppable. Floods that once arrived every few decades now come several times each year. The city endures, but endurance has a cost, measured in memory. Art, history, and faith absorb the damage first, pigments fading, stones weakening, silence deepening. Every flood erases something that cannot be rebuilt. In moments of extreme tides, Venice feels fragile, exposed, as if one storm could decide its fate. The question is no longer if, but how long. Yet Venice still breathes, still sings through water and stone, refusing to vanish quietly. Its survival mirrors our own struggle with a changing planet.
We stay because this city is our heartbeat, even when the water reaches our doors. Leaving would feel like abandoning ourselves. Maybe Venice survives not because it is strong, but because people refuse to let it disappear. Hope, like water, finds a way.
If Venice's story moved you, share, subscribe, and comment to keep these stories alive.